talking to Wanda McKee Fowler. She just led a panel, Court of Appeals panel with Gina Benavides, Mary Murphy, and Jeff Rose. And tell us about some of the questions that you were asking them for this course.
I asked them, I was a judge on the Court of Appeals for about 14 years, and so I asked them a lot of questions that I remembered would come up, and when I was a judge, and I was curious how they approached the briefs as well. And so I was taking it from the perspective of someone who'd been there and wondering how they approached it, if they approached it the same way that I did.
And what was some of the most surprising advice they gave to lawyers?
Well, I found it very interesting that most of them don't really like footnotes.
Yeah, why is that?
They said they're distracting, that they interrupt the text, and so they don't look down. Now, I did pin them down, and they do ultimately look at them at some point in time.
Right.
But they probably don't look at them the first time through.
But appendices are okay, I remember them saying.
Appendices are okay. They like appendices. Right. In fact, they think they should be used more. The other thing I found interesting was that it sounded as if I didn't get to ask them this question, but Judge Benavides said that she had granted a motion for rehearing only once.
Right.
And it sounds as if the other two judges have granted them a little more often and will not necessarily grant them, but they'll change the opinion if they realize that maybe something in the opinion is not clear, or if they need to change the reasoning in it. So that was interesting as well. And it was interesting to me that every one of them reads their motions for rehearing and doesn't have a lawyer read them first and summarize them, which is a good thing. That's a good thing if the judges are reading them first.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for talking to me. You did a great job. It was a really good panel.
Great. Thank you so much.